Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another instant noodle recipe time here. This is going to be episode 90. Although it should be episode 100 and something, but we'll get to that. Anyways, this is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I think this will be review 3058. Yeah. So this one is actually from Russia. It was sent to me by the people at the Halal Food Blog. They went to Uzbekistan and got this. It's a beef one, big bone, I don't know. But what's funny is they're from Singapore. They went to Uzbekistan and they check out all these just like insane, ancient, amazing looking mosques and stuff. I thought it was really cool to see what they saw. But anyways, so they went to Uzbekistan and then back to Singapore and then sent it to me. And it originally came from, so it's like Russia, Uzbekistan, Singapore here. So these are well-traveled noodles. As you can see, they've seen a better days, but that's okay. They will be reviewed just the same. Yeah. And so there's that. There's the powder base in there. This is the liquid that goes in last. And then there's this vegetable matter, greenery, as I will call it. And these steep is not to be cooked. And it says to let them steep from 3 to 5 minutes. So right between there and there we have 4. So that's where we're going. And there's what's going on. So if you're watching this video the day it came out, which is what, October 5th? Is today, I think. Yeah. If you're watching it today, today's the actual day I recorded it. So you're asking, wow, usually your videos, you're mentioning things that are way past. Why is this? I'm like, well, I'll tell you. The reason is that the internet decided that it didn't want to upload videos 89 and 90, which is a real shame because those were cool. One of them was one of the TTL series, the alcohol instant noodles, and the other one was, I want to say it was a Shio, a really good Shio from an Umai crate. That's right. It was one of the San Iku Shio. But doesn't mean those reviews won't come out, but you won't see the same thing. So I'm bummed about that. But, and no, I don't have backups. These videos take up a lot of space. What I have to do is, generally, if a video is long, I have to put it together. So it'll be 2 files. The first file will be about 2 gigabytes. So, and then the second one usually be underneath that amount. And then I have to throw it in a proprietary Samsung Action Director or some silly thing, and then it takes that and then fuses them together, and then I can upload them to YouTube. I've said, but yeah, for some reason those 2 didn't upload. But we still have 2 minutes and 9 seconds. So should we talk about last episode? I was talking about today's events. Yeah, really not much to talk about except for they decided to stop debate on the thing. At least as far as I know, I don't know what else is going on with that whole Kavanaugh thing. But yeah, you'll probably hear me mention it at least once in the future, but it'll be the past. Temporal mechanics get you every time, don't they? It's raining. It's very rainy here. Miles has found that puddle jumping is absolute glorious activity for him. If it's raining, there's a tiny spot which ends up being a puddle, and he found it. I mean, he'll find if the street's wet enough, that's good enough for him. He'll start jumping. So, but yeah, it's pretty cool. I like to see him so happy about simple things like that. It's like, man, why can't we all be happy with like all these simple things? But no, those days are over. Thank you, civilization. Thank you so much. But 45 seconds to go. I've got some light garnish for this one. I can open that up and use some of that. And yeah, I'm glad it's Friday. Looking forward to the weekend. Andy's coming. Gonna just pretty much chill out. Actually gonna get to go out and have some adult time. Go ahead and catch some dinner during a certain part of this weekend. So go out to dinner tomorrow night or something. That's cool. We actually did that last Friday. We went out to Ramen, and we had like what I consider the best ramen in Washington that I've had thus far. And I've tried, we've gone to like 5 different places now, and this place was good. And I will, I'm thinking of coming out with a top 10 restaurant list. Once I go to 10 restaurants, I'll rank them. How about that? But for now, I think I'll just leave it alone. But here's a hint. It's in Bellevue. Ha! That helps, doesn't it? And no, it's not Santuca. It's Ginya. That place was rad. Get their chicken wonton min. Blow your mind. That was good, and their izakaya was really good too. Their takoyaki, and we tried their little tacos. It's funny, they have takoyaki and they have tacos. And then we tried they had like this bun sandwich thing. Oh, that is all right. It's like it doesn't make much sense, but I'll say it tasted good because it did. But and it had a couple Coca-Colas. But other than that, yeah, it was. I mean, the ramen was just like off the hook. My wife keeps getting these rice bowls, and I'm like, no, don't do that. But it's what she wants, so she gets it. And then afterwards, we walked over to, what do you call it? Cost Plus World Market, because it was running there. I thought it was a Central Market, and at Central Market they usually have like lots of ridiculous like organic stuff. I'm really not a big fan of the whole organic movement, but whatever. I missed that boat. But what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, but we wanted to, one of our plans last weekend was to find stuff to do a Halloween episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. And they had a ton of chocolate in there. And yeah, it was ridiculous. Like, sign this now and you can get 15% off, Like, okay. Oh my god, that was so expensive. Even after the 15%. Like, God. So now, instead of having a little box that we keep the chocolate for our episodes in, we have like a picnic basket that's like full. It's like, no, we cannot buy any more chocolate. It's full. Alright. The liquid component of this instant just seemed a little funky. That's what I'm just gonna say. It just seemed really funky. Here you can look. Oh, and it smells funky too. It almost smells like ketchup. It's got a piquant hit to it. Yeah, I'm not like entirely stoked on this one. Maybe it's tomato. Maybe that's what I'm getting, like a tomato beef. Tomato beef. Let's see. I'll give it a taste. Give it a sniff. Yeah. Bowl. Noodle. mess. Dang it. There is a lot of, like, vegetable bit in here. And this is of their own doing. Okay, let's see what you're seeing. That's pretty good. And we'll put some... Man, you know, I'll throw some spring onion on it, but there's really not a whole heck of a lot of reason for it. And I know you're going to be like, wow, dude, you were prepared today. But yeah, I'm using a little bit of beef lunch meat, a little bit of slow roasted Oscar Mayer, because that's what I'm doing. So, roast beef. And cracking open a new package of my favorite and yours, because I know you like them. You better like them. I'm not going to let you watch my show anymore. Crispy onions! Yay! We've got some more crispy onions. Yeah, man, you have some more crispy onions. There. That is that. I'm calling that a good. Anyways, well, it's been nice actually seeing you people today. All you people. All of you people. So I'm going to do one more today, but you're not going to see it until like the 27th. So I am moving back and forth through time through no fault of my own. So enjoy. I will see you in the future. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, please subscribe, please subscribe, please subscribe, please subscribe. When you subscribe, I like it. And when I like things, I like things. And I really like it when you subscribe. So just subscribe. Really? Come on. Just do it. It'll make you a better person. I promise. All right, have a good one. Bye.